Panasonic Appliances welcome you to the digital launch of the all-new 750 watts Panasonic Monster AE series Super Mixer Grinder. Live from the state-of-the-art factory in Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Hello everyone. I hope everyone is sound and safe. Today is a very special day and we have a special and an exciting announcement waiting for you. So let's not waste any more time and let's embark into this great virtual event. In the next few minutes, we will have a keynote from Mr. Ganesan Tyagarajan, Managing Director of Panasonic Appliances India, a detailed presentation from Mr. Niranjan Shenoy, followed by the grand launch of the product and then a detailed product feature reveal from various other members of Panasonic. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome Mr. Ganesan Tyagarajan, the Managing Director of Panasonic Appliances India, to deliver his keynote address. Mr. Ganesan Tyagarajan has 3 decades of experience in appliances business, 20 plus years of experience in Panasonic and a vast experience and knowledge in the field of manufacturing, quality control, design and sales. Over to you, Mr. Ganesan.
Hello everyone, hope you all fine and keeping good health and safe. I am very happy to welcome for this virtual launch of Panasonic new Monster series Mixie. First, I would like to express my sincere thanks, gratitude to all our dealers, distributor, channel partners and our customer for their great support extended to us all these years and during this tough time. Though it is a new normal and tough time around us, Panasonic could practice all the necessary safety protocol to protect their employee well-being. It is a long journey for us in India in the last 30 years. As you all aware, Panasonic is the only electric rice cooker manufacturing company in Chennai and manufacturing the electric rice cooker which enjoys the market leadership. As well, we have the leader in the premium segment of the Mixie. With our quality product, we could successfully exporting our product to over 50 countries of our cooker and over 23 countries for our Mixie. We are also proud that our cooker being exported back to Japan, which is the one of our prime moment to cherish, as we could successfully meet the tough challenges of the quality requirement of Japan market. Coming to this new product of our Mixie, we put all the insights of our consumer across India to taken that input to develop this new product. With the insight and the requirement got from the market, our R&D has worked out all the necessary measures and made all the efforts to improve and bring a value creation into our product. It is in line with our founder Konosuke Matsushita-san's driving the company through the aspiration of our consumer. In line with that, this product has put in all the value creation, innovation, convenience to improvise this product and to give a benefit to our end consumer. I am fully confident this new Mixie will thoroughly enjoyed by our customer by its superiority of the quality, convenience, innovation and safety. And also, I am fully confident this will become a successful product in the market and bring all good to our customer. Thank you for joining this virtual event. Please enjoy it.
Wow, what an inspiring journey. Thank you so much, Mr. Ganesan, for sharing your valuable thoughts with us. Now let me welcome Mr. Niranjan Shenoy, Director Sales and Marketing, for a detailed presentation.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you, Ganeshan-san, for that introduction. Hello all, and I hope all of you are safe and healthy. I welcome you all to this virtual launch. This is a first for us also, being responsible citizens, we thought it is safer for all of you and us to have this virtual launch. As Ganeshan-san mentioned, this factory has been manufacturing electric cookers and mixer grinders for over 30 years now. These products have been globally accepted, and we have attained market leadership in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Maldives, to name just a few countries. Keeping that in mind, we thought just like how we have a large offering in cookers, we should also have a large offering or a wider offering in mixer grinders. We started this journey last year with our AV series, 10 colors of AV series. And buoyed by the success of that AV series, we thought, why not get into something which all of you have been asking for a long time. That is the 750 watts category of mixer grinder. We heard you, we heard the customers, and we started this journey by having a lot of focus group discussions and also by conducting interviews. With this started the process of creating the Monster. And it is a sheer tour de force of a mixer grinder with its looks, with its design, with its colors, or the motor, or the super jar, all leading to one thing, that is stronger, tougher, sharper mixer grinder. They say that tough times make the tough people get going. Even during the pandemic, Panasonic team worked relentlessly, sometimes physically, sometimes virtually, to get this new product offering to the market. While my colleague will walk you through the details of this product, I just want to tell you that this product has been created and visualized by the customers, and we are merely manufacturing it on their behalf. We are very excited not only about this product, but the fact that the market is opening up and we are getting an opportunity to meet you again. Our team is ready. They will be coming to you, showing this product, demonstrating this product, and you can physically see the power and performance of this product. I sincerely request you to support us in making this product a grand success. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.
Thank you, Mr. Niranjan, for the key insights. We are as excited as you are to experience the Monster mixer grinder. Now let me request Mr. Ken Nakayama to share a few words with us in this occasion.
Thank you, Anu. Hello and good to connect with you all. My name is Ken Nakayama. The basic management objective of Panasonic is recognizing our responsibility as industrialists. We will devote ourselves to the progress and development of society and the well-being of the people through our business activities, thereby enhancing the quality of life throughout the world. Keeping this management objective in the center of our business activities, we are committed to developing products that enrich the life of our customers. We always take into account customers' opinion and changing the social need and observing how people live and interact with our product. We always strive to develop products that provide ever-increasing satisfaction to our customers based on their quality, performance, design, affordability, environmental consciousness, and ease of use, and that are accessible to the wider range of people regardless of age or ability. It is based on this management objective that we are developing the Monster series of mixer grinder. We try to understand the need of the Indian kitchen and how we could contribute to the Indian society. We had the users tell us their pain point, and when we put it all on the drawing board, and from here was born the concept of the Monster. We hope the Monster will meet the need and expectation of the Indian and global users of mixer grinders, thereby realizing the Panasonic brand promise, a better life, a better world. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Nakayama, for sharing your thoughts with us. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. Let me invite Mr. Ganesan Tyagarajan and Mr. Niranjan Shenoy onto the stage to unveil the new monster. So ladies and gentlemen, the moment has arrived finally, and here we have Mr. Ganesan Tyagarajan and Mr. Niranjan Shenoy to unveil the real monster. Over to you, gentlemen.
Yes, please.
Introducing Panasonic Monster Super Mixer Grinder.
Hey, your new Panasonic mixer is so cute! Not just cute, Godavari, it's beyond that.
This super jar grinds even a single pepper.
Just one?
Yes, its blades are extra wide. Beyond that, it has a 750 watts motor. Grind, powder, crush, blend and squeeze.
Beyond that?
This is the all-in-one super jar. Don't have to change the jar, just change the lid and we can grind anything.
Beyond that, this pusher and water pouring attachment makes grinding so easy.
Beyond that, it has child safety lock. 100% safe.
Total peace of mind.
Panasonic Monster Super Mixer Grinder.
Not just a mixie.
It's beyond that. तुम्हारी नई Panasonic मिक्सी बहुत क्यूट है।
सिर्फ क्यूट ही नहीं गोदावरी, उससे भी ज्यादा। इसका सुपर जार एक दाना काली मिर्च भी पी सकता है।
सिर्फ एक?
यस, क्योंकि इसका ब्लेड एक्स्ट्रा चौड़ा है और तो और इसमें 750 वॉट्स की मोटर है जो चीजों को बारीकी से पाउडर, मैश, क्रश निचोड़ देगी।
इससे भी ज्यादा?
ये है ऑल इन वन सुपर जार। और जार नहीं, केवल लिड बदलना है। कुछ भी चाहिए ग्राइंड कर सकते हैं। उससे भी ज्यादा इसका पुशर और पानी डालने का अटैचमेंट ग्राइंडिंग को बहुत ही आसान बना देता है। उससे भी ज्यादा इसमें चाइल्ड सेफ्टी लॉक है। 100% सेफ, टोटल पीस ऑफ माइंड। Panasonic Monster Super Mixer Grinder. ये केवल मिक्सी ही नहीं,
उससे भी ज्यादा।
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಪ್ಯಾನಾಸೋನಿಕ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಗೋದಾವರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ
ಈ ಸೂಪರ್ ಜಾರ್ ಒಂದು ಮೆಣಸಿನ ಕಾಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ಬಿಡದೆ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್.
ಎಸ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಬ್ಲೇಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವೈಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ 750 ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋಟರ್. ರುಬ್ಬಿ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಿಚುಕಿ ಹಿಂಡಿ ಹಿಪ್ಪಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ
ಇದು ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಜಾರ್.
ಜಾರ್ ಬದಲಿಸಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಚ್ಚಳ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪುಷರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೋರಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಂದ ಗ್ರೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಸಹ ಇದೆ. 100% ಸೇಫ್,
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್.
Panasonic Monster Super Mixer Grinder.
ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ నీ కొత్త పానాసోనిక్ మిక్సీ చాలా క్యూట్ గా ఉంది.
క్యూట్ మాత్రమే కాదు గోదావరి, అంతకంటే మించింది. ఈ సూపర్ జార్ ఒక్క మిరియాలు కూడా వదలకుండా పొడి చేస్తుంది.
జస్ట్ వన్.
ఎస్, ఎందుకంటే దీని బ్లేడ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా వైడ్. అంతకంటే మించినది 750 వాట్స్ మోటార్. బెండ్ చేసి, పొడి చేసి, నలిపేసి, పిండేసి, జ్యూసు చేస్తుంది.
అంతకంటే మించిందా?
ఇది ఆల్ ఇన్ వన్ సూపర్ జార్. జార్ మార్చే అవసరం లేదు, లిడ్ మార్చితే చాలు, ఏదైనా గ్రైండ్ చేయొచ్చు. అంతకంటే మించింది ఈ పుషర్ అండ్ వాటర్ పోరింగ్ అటాచ్మెంట్ తో గ్రైండింగ్ చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. అన్నిటికంటే మించి ఇందులో చైల్డ్ సేఫ్టీ లాక్ కూడా ఉంది. 100% సేఫ్. టోటల్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్. పానాసోనిక్ మాన్స్టర్ సూపర్ మిక్సర్ గ్రైండర్. ఇది కేవలం మిక్సీ మాత్రం కాదు,
అంతకంటే మించింది.
ഏയ് നിന്റെ പുതിയ പാനസോണിക് മിക്സി വളരെ ക്യൂട്ടാ.
ക്യൂട്ട് മാത്രമല്ല ഗോദാവരി, അതിനും മേലെ
ഈ സൂപ്പർ ജാർ ഒരു മുളക് മണി പോലും വിടാതെ അരയ്ക്കും.
ജസ്റ്റ് വൺ.
യെസ്, ഇതിന്റെ ബ്ലേഡ് എക്സ്ട്രാ വൈഡ് ആണ്. അതിനും മേലെ 750 വാട്ട്സ് മോട്ടർ. അരച്ച് പൊടിച്ച് ചതച്ച് ഇടിച്ച് പിഴിഞ്ഞെടുത്ത് കളയും.
അതിനും മേലെയോ?
ഇത് ഓൾ ഇൻ വൺ സൂപ്പർ ജാർ.
ജാറ് മാറ്റേണ്ടതില്ല, മൂടി മാത്രം മാറ്റിയാൽ മതി. എന്ത് വേണമെങ്കിലും അരയ്ക്കാം.
അതിനും മേലെ ഈ പുഷർ ആൻഡ് വാട്ടർ പോറിംഗ് അറ്റാച്ച്മെന്റ് ഗ്രൈൻഡിംഗ് ഈസി ആക്കുന്നു.
എല്ലാത്തിനും മേലെ ഇതിൽ ചൈൽഡ് സേഫ്റ്റി ലോക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. 100% സേഫ്.
ടോട്ടൽ പീസ് ഓഫ് മൈൻഡ്.
പാനസോണിക് മോൺസ്റ്റർ സൂപ്പർ മിക്സർ ഗ്രൈൻഡർ.
ഇത് വെറും മിക്സി അല്ല,
അതിനും മേലെ.
ஹே, உன்னோட புது Panasonic மிக்ஸி ரொம்ப கியூட்.
கியூட் மட்டும் இல்ல கோதாவரி, அதுக்கும் மேல இந்த சூப்பர் ஜார் ஒரு மிளக கூட விடாம அரைச்சிடும்.
ஜஸ்ட் ஒன்.
எஸ், இதோட பிளேட் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வைட். அதுக்கும் மேல 750 வாட்ஸ் மோட்டார். அரைச்சு பொடிச்சு நசுக்கி கசக்கி புழிஞ்சு எடுத்துடும்.
அதுக்கும் மேலையா?
இது ஆல் இன் ஒன் சூப்பர் ஜார். ஜாடிய மாத்த வேண்டாம், மூடிய மட்டும் மாத்தினா போதும். என்ன வேணா அரைக்கலாம். அதுக்கும் மேல இந்த புஷர் அண்ட் வாட்டர் போரிங் அட்டாச்மெண்ட் கிரைண்டிங்க ஈஸியா ஆக்கிடும். எல்லாத்துக்கும் மேல இதுல சைல்ட் சேஃப்டி லாக் இருக்கு. 100% சேஃப். டோட்டல் பீஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்ட். Panasonic Monster சூப்பர் மிக்சர் கிரைண்டர். இது வெறும் மிக்ஸி இல்ல,
அதுக்கும் மேல.
This is a powerful 750 watts mixie, first time to the market of this kind of nature. What is the uniqueness? Basically, if you look at this body design, this is a unique and first of its kind to the market. This is a very squarish, stylish, sleek, still rugged and very tough to in by its look. And if you see the bottom grip, this is a first of its kind, having maximum grip onto the floor, thereby balancing the vibration or any tough load during the grinding. This is one of its kind to the market, first time. Number two, we have taken the motor at its best of its kind, where we have made a design in such a way it takes the maximum torque at a very lesser time as well as the speed by enhancing the engineering on its stack height, the 100% copper. So this is more powerful, more quick time the torque can take. This is one of its kind, first time to the market. Number three, I would say this is first of its kind, a ball shaped jar coming to the market, where this jar, if you look at, this is a real unique ball shaped jar, and it has three fitments along with this. One we call the doom, where you can do the any milkshakes or buttermilk, those kind of. Then interchangeable lid. One is called spice lid, another one is unique wet grinding chutney lid. The spice grinding with this lid, this can done even very finest of particle, which is even 3 grams or even 5 grams can do. Next one is the unique lid. This you can do a wiping action as well as a water you can pour simultaneously inside. So this is one of its first kind to the market. Number 4, if you see, this is not only this new first of its kind, it is also coming with safety interlocking mechanism, which is first of its kind. No worry in the kitchen. This is the main attraction of the first time to the market.
Sir, it truly indeed a truly powerful monster. But my question is, when is it going to hit the market and when is it going to sit in the kitchen?
Well, we plan to launch this product by the 15th of July in time for this year's Onam. So you can buy it by the 15th of July.
We can celebrate our Onam with the new Monster at home, the real good Monster. So gentlemen, thank you so much. Thanks a lot for your time. It's indeed a great launch, and I'm pretty sure this product is going to hit the market very soon. So please wait until Onam. Go check it out in nearest outlets. Thank you so much, everybody. First, let me thank Mr. Ganesan Tyagarajan and Mr. Niranjan Shenoy. And now, I'm pretty sure that you all have so many questions in mind, right? You want to know more about this product, right? So, I'm going to call the product head, Mr. Ashwin, onto the dais to take us through the product details. Mr. Ashwin, please welcome. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So, Ashwin, before you start anything, this question is running on in my mind. I cannot stop myself from asking you this question. So how did you arrive at the name, the Monster?
Well, when we sat together and we made a design of this model, when we arrived at the final design, we looked at it and it was more sturdy, it was more bold, and the uplifted factor, it looked more like a monster to us, and immediately we arrived at the name of Monster.
Yes, it is. A cute little monster.
Certainly.
Okay, so this takes me to the next question.
Yes.
You have beautiful colors, beautiful different colors we have here. This is definitely going to beautify all the kitchens, I'm pretty sure. But how did you arrive in choosing all these beautiful palettes?
Right. Mr. Ganeshan and Mr. Niranjan has already mentioned, we did a focus group study. We took all the walks of people. We surveyed across India, and also we arrived at base colors which are more kitchen suited. Even modular kitchen suited, we arrived at those colors, and hence the color span has come.
Great. I'm pretty sure everybody is going to pick one color from each of these 5 monsters.
Right.
So my next question is, I know that there's going to be a lot of offerings apart from the colors.
Certainly.
Can you please explain us about the offerings?
Sure. So this Monster, AE series Monster 750 watts mixer grinder comes in 3-jar and 4-jar offerings. What we have so unique about Monster is our super jar. So this is the first of its kind, all-in-one jar. So this jar comes with 3 lids. The objective of bringing this jar is to more convenience for the user. So this jar, we have 3 lids, as I said. One will be the dome lid. So this dome lid will basically be used for batter making, juicing, smoothie making, and also purees. So this is one which can be used for all these purposes. We also have one which is a spice grinding lid. So this spice grinding lid, we can make biryani masalas, we can make different kinds of spices, masalas, podis we call it in the southern part, and also we have this where we can make up to 5 grams also of pepper, and we have tested that even 1 corn of pepper can be grinded really well with this spice jar.
Wow.
And one another innovation that we bought is the chutney, we call this as the chutney lid with pusher attachment. The objective of bringing such a lid is to, when we are grinding, there are 2 types of chutneys we generally make, which is your dry chutney, the other one is the wet chutney. So what we understood is, while making chutney, women uses the ingredients and puts the ingredients inside. Once the first initial torque happens, all the ingredients goes to the sides of the mixie, the sides of the walls of the jar. So at that time, people have to open the lid, put their finger inside and bring it back to grinding, which we thought is a safety concern and a hygiene concern as well. So what did we innovate is, we innovated this chutney lid. What this can do is, while the mixer grinder is on, this can also be used simultaneously, where every ingredient that's stuck to the wall can be brought back to grinding. So this is one another first in class in the segment. And more adding to this, they have also bought an inlet, a small inlet, whereby you also pour water if needed while grinding, and this can also be more additional safety concerns. And that's how we arrived at this super jar. And this, again, we are very certain this is going to revolutionize the market. And also, apart from this super jar, what do we have is, we have a wide blade which comes with this super jar. And also our blades are monolith blade. We call it monolith because this is a single steel. This is not welded, this is not joined together, it's a single steel, so we call it a monolith, whereby the sharpness is high and also the durability is very much. So that's why this is one of the best in class in our mixer grinders. And also what we have is, we have wider blades available in the blender jar as well, where you can make smoothies, you can make batters even in the blender jar. And one another feature which is very unique to Panasonic mixer grinders are the double safety locking mechanism. Why do we call it double safety locking mechanism? Well, we have a jar lock and a lid lock. Unless or until our jar lock and lid lock are in position, our mixer grinder wouldn't start. What does it mean? It means an absolute safety for you. Even an accidental switch on can never happen. So we have ensured by all means our motto, which is a safety, quality, convenience, is taken care in this. If you look at the offerings when it comes to the chrome and the grill, we have given a chrome finish for your switch panels, which makes it more aesthetically good. You know, you have modular kitchens, you may like a kind of combinations, and every combination is available. You can pick combinations from your choice. And one another small thing that we did, which is an innovation of its own kind. If you see our jars, there is a small notch in this jar. What does a notch do is, this basically holds the lid back, and if there is no lifting of the lid, even if you put more quantity or something happens, the lid doesn't get lifted. This, we ensure that it's an absolute safety for you. This still holds on good to the motto of the company, and hence these are all the products that we bought. And yet another point that we really wanted to stress upon, even Mr. Ganeshan had told, is about our motor. Our motor is a 100% copper wound motor. It's a pure, you could see the copper wounding. It's not any other metal mix, it's a pure 100% copper wound motor. What does it do? The durability is high, the life of motor is high. Believe us, we still have users who have been using our mixer grinders for over 15 years, and still we have always maintained quality throughout the years. Monster is no better. This is still even going to be more than what our offerings are. This is one of the best in class motors that we have offered. So this jars, our jars are all SS304 jars. That's a grade of steel, and also our jars are rust resistant jars. And what we have in our jars peculiar is the flow breaker. What does that flow breaker do? The flow breaker ensures that while grinding, all the ingredients comes back into grinding. So whereby the efficiency is even higher, and the grinding fineness is also better in our jars. And our lid, if you see, is a polycarbonate lid. It's an unbreakable polycarbonate lid. That's the kind of quality that we give for the product.
Thank you, Ashwin. Wow, this is really great, a detailed explanation. The Monster is the real solution for all the ultimate grinding issues, right?
Right, certainly.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time, Ashwin. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let's connect with the production head, Mr. Gangadharan, to understand much more about how the factory was prepared to manufacture the family of monsters.
Thank you, Anu. This is Gangadharan, leading the production operations. Our factory is producing now for more than 30 years electric rice cooker, mixer grinder and wet grinder. Making in India slogan is well established in our factory. Feeling very proud to be the part of the AE series mixer grinder digital launch. We have now AC series, AV series and AE series. In AV series we have 10 different models, and AE series we have 5 different models. Though the models are very high, by our continuous training to the operators and related QC members, we ensure that the quality is kept always 100%. Training and education on safety is continuously given to all our operators to ensure that everywhere it is being followed. Our top management follows all the time the habit of Gemba, means they come and check each and every product before we make a launch. And at this moment we give commitment from production side for all our customers to ensure defective products, and they enjoy all our products. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gangadharan, for the detailed note. Thank you. We have now come to the end of this virtual event, but I know you have one more question. And the question is, what about the quality, right? So I'm going to call upon the head of quality, Mr. Shivakumar, to explain us about the quality standards which has gone into the making of the Monster.
So let me now explain about your question about the quality of the product. So when this product was started, this evaluation has gone through under four categories. One is on the safety, second is on the performance, third is on the appearance, fourth is on the other aspects like ROHS compliance as well as food sanitation. So these are the four categories. So to confirm the requirements are met or exceeding, so we have devised 53 evaluation requirements for this particular product. So all these 53 products evaluation has been completed and confirmed by us. After that only this product is
approved for the launch. This is the background of this approval. This will ensure the market is, customer will be very happy to use the product for a long duration, and we want our customers to use and feel happy about having used this product for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shivakumar, for the detailed note. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining this wonderful virtual event. The new Panasonic Monster Super Mixer Grinder is available at the stores near you. Please do check it out.